Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you guys another video of I unlocking the Brawl Pass. So you can see that when you firstly unlock the Brawl Pass, it will give you an exclusive skin, and this time it's the exclusive skin for Bull, and this skin is basically called D800. So you would be able to get a custom brawler model, a custom effects for the brawler Bull, custom animation for Bull as well, and a custom texture. So as you guys can see, that is basically the character Bull. There's not much about it, just that it's pretty cool. And I mean, I really like the feature that half of it is like the normal Bull, but half of it is like a silver type of Bull. And yeah, so this is something that you get in Brawl Pass exclusive when you unlock Brawl Pass. I actually found something very satisfying as what is shown. I made like a zigzag shape just by Bull's super, and it's all the same exact level, 460 health level, and I felt it's really cool and very satisfying as well. So I just wanted to show you guys. But honestly, it's just character Bull. There's not much to say, and I feel it's really cool. So half of it's really nice and all. So yeah. So the next thing that you would get when you unlock Brawl Pass is their chromatic character. So this is the chromatic character, the star chromatic character for this season Bollywood, which is Lola. So the Lola is basically like a damage dealer. So it's a chromatic character set, and despite it being just a guide, Lola is actually the leading lady of Bollywood. So it's basically the star of it. So basically it attacks with her scarf, and her super is channeled manifestation of her ego. So basically her attacks is kind of like Griff, and as you guys can see, its super is like a kind of like another of herself, just that her health level would be around half. Okay, and this would be actually really good. So instead of hitting a bot, as what I've shown, instead of hitting it like 3 times to just defeat it, you can only hit it for maximum 2 times, because it's just so, you know, there's 2 of them, so you can kind of double the time of you hitting it. Okay, and I just found out as well that if you want the double of Lola, basically closer to you, you can actually go to one side of a wall and push it closer. But if you want it to be very close to you, go to one side, like what a corner of something, okay, and it'll be really close to you, such as really you just hit double. So yeah, so the next thing actually is a Rebel Lola. So it's actually also a character for Lola, so it's like an exclusive skin for Lola. So yeah, okay, and we would get exclusive quests as well. So let's unlock it. Boom! Brawl Pass unlocked. Okay, so that is, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you SLS, which is subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!